Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get richer and richer while the rest of us are just trying to keep up? What if I told you that the wealthy have a set of secret investments that could be game changers? Today, we're diving into those hidden strategies that set wealthy individuals apart. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this, you'll be ready to start thinking and investing like the elite. Alright, here's a little humor to start us off. Picture this. You're at a party. Someone casually mentions they just bought a yacht or a second vacation home, and you're over here trying to figure out how to budget for a night out. Sound familiar? Investing can feel like it's only for the wealthy, right? But here's a challenge for you. Think of one investment you've always considered but never acted on. Drop it in the comments below. It might just be the first step toward a better financial future. Now, let's get into the juicy stuff. What are these secret investments that keep the rich getting richer? 1. Real estate investments. Beyond owning a house, let's start with real estate, one of the foundational investments for the wealthy. But we're not just talking about buying a home to live in. Wealthy individuals buy residential properties, apartment complexes, and commercial spaces. They rent them out, flip them, and even leverage them to get favorable loan terms. The secret here is diversification. They don't just buy in one area. They invest across different markets and property types, from urban apartments to vacation rentals. Real estate gives them an asset that can grow in value while generating monthly cash flow. But the really savvy investors don't stop at property purchases. They invest in real estate syndications and real estate investment trusts, REITs, which let them put their money into big real estate projects without the hassle of property management. They may also delve into crowd-funded real estate platforms, where multiple investors pool resources to buy larger assets. These strategies allow them to spread risk, earn passive income, and access deals that many people can't reach. 2. The stock market. Going beyond popular stocks now. We all know about stocks, but the wealthy play the stock market differently. While many people invest in popular companies like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon, the wealthy build diversified portfolios of index funds, mutual funds, foreign stocks, and sometimes even venture into derivatives. They understand that compounding over time is key, so they often hold stocks for years, even decades, letting their investments grow exponentially. And here's another little-known fact. Many of them buy stocks in sectors that are less trendy but have huge potential, like healthcare tech, clean energy, and emerging markets. They're strategic, often buying during market dips, and they rarely panic sell. For those who want to avoid the hassle of active trading, many wealthy individuals also opt for dividend-paying stocks, allowing them to collect income while the stock continues to grow. So, instead of just looking at big-name stocks, consider adding some dividend stocks to your portfolio and let your wealth grow quietly over time. 3. Alternative assets. Think art, wine, and more. Here's where it gets really interesting. Many affluent individuals are investing in alternative assets, like art, wine, vintage cars, and even cryptocurrency. These investments diversify their portfolios and often provide a hedge against inflation. Imagine buying a piece of art for $10,000, only to have it valued at $100,000 years later. The same goes for collectible wines and vintage cars. These assets are seen as both investments and hobbies, allowing the wealthy to enjoy their assets while they appreciate in value. It's a win-win. Cryptocurrency is another popular choice, but they don't simply buy and hold the most popular coins. They often invest in blockchain projects, DeFi, decentralized finance systems, and even NFTs, non-fungible tokens, in a highly strategic way. And because cryptocurrency markets are volatile, they frequently use sophisticated tactics, like dollar-cost averaging, to buy in stages, minimizing the impact of sudden price drops. 4. Private equity and venture capital. The high-risk, high-reward path. Private equity and venture capital are game-changers for the wealthy, allowing them to get in on startups and private companies with incredible growth potential. These investments are riskier but can result in enormous payouts if the companies succeed. Think about all the early investors in companies like Uber, Airbnb, or even Facebook. Those who took the risk have seen returns that most traditional investments could never offer. In fact, The wealthy often pool their resources into angel investing networks or private equity firms that specialize in finding these high-potential startups. This way, they don't need to individually assess each startup but can rely on the expertise of fund managers. It's risky, but for those who can afford it, the rewards can be tremendous. And while it's not for everyone, crowdfunding platforms are now making it possible for everyday investors to get involved in private company shares. Just be cautious and make sure to research thoroughly. 5. Financial education. An investment like no other education is a hidden gem in the wealthy's investment toolkit. They prioritize learning about financial strategies, market trends, and new investment opportunities. From seminars and webinars to books and consulting sessions with financial advisors, they stay ahead of the game by continually updating their knowledge. The willingness to learn continuously sets them apart from most investors, and it's often the compounding of knowledge that results in compounded financial success. Now, here's a powerful insight. Wealthy individuals understand that their own knowledge and skills are their best investments. They regularly upgrade their abilities, whether it's through acquiring new financial skills, networking with influential people, or diving into personal development. And while this might sound abstract, the results are anything but. Their continuous growth opens doors to partnerships, new markets, and investment opportunities that money alone can't buy. 6. Surprising facts and insights from the investment world. Did you know that some of the wealthiest people have significant portions of their wealth tied up in art? Art has a unique appeal. It's both culturally significant and can appreciate in value dramatically. Certain pieces from renowned artists have skyrocketed in worth, giving investors millions in returns. Another interesting area? Small startups. Millionaires love to back small, disruptive companies that have the potential to reshape entire industries. It's high risk, but it's high reward, and it often brings them opportunities to influence trends from the ground up. Also, let's not underestimate the importance of passive income. Many wealthy people's lifestyles are sustained by income streams from real estate, dividend stocks, and royalty-generating assets. Imagine having money flow in consistently without working actively for it. It's a lifestyle many dream of but rarely achieve because they haven't tapped into these strategies. 7. The ultimate secret. Investing in oneself. And here's the kicker. The least known investment secret of the rich? They invest in themselves. Yes, it's true. Whether it's through acquiring new skills, building valuable networks, or continually enhancing their personal development, the wealthy understand that the best investment is often in their own growth and capabilities. This mindset can lead to opportunities that money alone can't buy. It opens doors, creates relationships, and builds expertise that accelerates their financial journey. To sum it up, your path forward. So, we've explored the secret investments that keep the wealthy getting richer: real estate, stocks, alternative assets, private equity, and investing in their education and personal growth. Now, what can you take away from this? The answer is that it's not about how much money you have but how you choose to invest it. By learning from these strategies, anyone can start their journey toward financial growth. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're ready to dive even deeper into the world of investing, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next video. Share your favorite investment strategy in the comments, and let's continue exploring how you can grow your wealth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.